Imagine a world where the gods of ancient Sumeria weren't just myths, but advanced beings from the stars, where the pyramids of Egypt were built with knowledge handed down by celestial visitors, and where the skies above ancient India were filled with flying machines called vimanas. Across the globe, from the Mayans to the Greeks, our ancestors left behind stories of star beings, celestial chariots, and gods descending from the heavens. Were these tales merely the products of vivid imaginations? Or could they be humanity's earliest encounters with extraterrestrial life? As we unravel the mysteries of the past, we may find that the search for alien life isn't just about the future, it's about understanding the secrets hidden in the ancient world. The celestial thread, ancient civilizations and the stars. The night sky has always been a canvas for human imagination. For millennia, people have looked up at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Long before telescopes and space probes, ancient civilizations across the globe wove intricate tales of gods, celestial beings, and otherworldly visitors. These stories, etched into clay tablets, painted on temple walls, and passed down through generations, hint at a profound connection between humanity and the cosmos. But were these tales mere myths, or could they be humanity's earliest encounters with extraterrestrial life? This is the story of how ancient civilizations viewed the stars and the mysteries they left behind. The Sumerians, the Anunnaki, and the sky gods. Our journey begins in ancient Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization, where the Sumerians flourished over 6,000 years ago. The Sumerians were among the first to develop writing, mathematics, and astronomy. But perhaps their most intriguing legacy is their belief in the Anunnaki, a group of deities who they claimed came from the heavens. According to Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki descended to Earth in fiery chariots, bringing with them advanced knowledge and technology. One of their most famous stories is the Epic of Gilgamesh, which describes the adventures of a king who sought immortality and encountered gods who traveled between the heavens and earth. The Sumerians believed these gods created humanity to serve them, mining gold and other resources. Modern theorists, such as Zecharia Sitchin, have suggested that the Anunnaki were not gods, but extraterrestrial beings who visited Earth in ancient times. While this idea remains controversial, the Sumerians' detailed accounts of celestial events and their advanced understanding of astronomy raise intriguing questions. Could their stories of sky gods have been inspired by real encounters with beings from another world? Ancient Egypt, the gods who walked among us. From the fertile banks of the Nile, we travel to ancient Egypt, a civilization renowned for its pyramids, hieroglyphs, and obsession with the afterlife. The Egyptians believed their gods were not distant deities but active participants in their daily lives. Many of these gods were associated with the sky and stars. Ra, the sun god, was said to travel across the sky in a solar boat, bringing light and life to the world. Horus, the falcon-headed god, was a symbol of the sky and kingship. The Egyptians also believed in the Shemsu Hor, or followers of Horus, who were said to have ruled Egypt before the pharaohs. These beings were described as tall, otherworldly figures with advanced knowledge. One of the most fascinating aspects of ancient Egyptian culture is their precise astronomical knowledge. The alignment of the pyramids with the stars of Orion's belt and their use of celestial events to mark time suggest a deep connection to the cosmos. Could their gods have been extraterrestrial visitors who shared this knowledge? While mainstream scholars attribute these achievements to human ingenuity, the possibility of extraterrestrial influence remains a tantalizing mystery. Ancient India, the Vimanas and the sky chariots. Our journey now takes us to the Indian subcontinent, where the ancient Vedas and other sacred texts describe flying machines called Vimanas. These aircraft, piloted by gods and heroes, were said to travel vast distances across the sky and even into space. The Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic, contains vivid descriptions of battles fought with advanced weapons that resemble modern technology. One passage describes a weapon called the Brahmastra, which could destroy entire cities with a blast of light and fire. Another text, the Samarangana Sutradhara, provides detailed instructions for building and operating vimanas, including their propulsion systems and materials. While these accounts are often dismissed as mythological, some researchers argue that they could be evidence of ancient encounters with advanced technology. The precision and consistency of these descriptions are striking, leading some to wonder if the vimanas were inspired by real extraterrestrial spacecraft. The Mayans, the Star People, and the cosmos. Crossing the Atlantic, we arrive in the jungles of Central America, where the Mayan civilization thrived for centuries. The Mayans were master astronomers, creating intricate calendars and mapping the movements of the stars with remarkable accuracy. They believed their gods, known as the Star People, came from the Pleiades star cluster. The Mayans' most famous creation is their long count calendar, which famously predicted the end of an era in 2012. While this prediction was widely misinterpreted as a doomsday prophecy, it actually marked the end of a 5,125-year cycle. The Mayans believed that their gods would return at the end of this cycle, bringing with them a new era of enlightenment. The Mayans' knowledge of astronomy and their belief in star beings have led some to speculate that they were influenced by extraterrestrial visitors. Their pyramids, like those of Egypt, are aligned with celestial events, suggesting a deep connection to the cosmos. Ancient Greece, the celestial chariots of the gods. Our final stop is ancient Greece, a civilization known for its rich mythology and philosophical inquiry. The Greeks believed in a pantheon of gods who lived on Mount Olympus, but often descended to earth in chariots of fire. Zeus, the king of the gods, wielded thunderbolts from the sky, while other deities, such as Apollo and Hermes, were associated with the sun and travel between worlds. One of the most intriguing Greek myths is the story of Phaeton, the son of the sun god Helios. Phaeton attempted to drive his father's chariot across the sky, but lost control, causing chaos on Earth. This tale has been interpreted by some as a metaphor for a celestial event, such as a comet or asteroid impact. The Greeks were also pioneers in astronomy, with figures like Pythagoras and Aristotle studying the stars and planets. Their myths and scientific achievements suggest a fascination with the heavens that transcends mere storytelling. The modern connection. Are we alone? As we reflect on these ancient stories, we are left with a profound question. Were these tales of gods and celestial beings inspired by real encounters with extraterrestrial life? While mainstream science remains skeptical, the similarities between these accounts are difficult to ignore. From the Sumerians to the Mayans, ancient civilizations shared a common belief in beings from the stars who shaped human history. In the modern era, the search for extraterrestrial life has taken on new urgency. Scientists are exploring distant planets, listening for signals from other civilizations, and studying the possibility of life beyond Earth. But perhaps the answers we seek are not just in the stars, but in the stories of our ancestors. The celestial thread, echoes of the stars. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of ancient civilizations and their connections to the cosmos, we uncover even more fascinating stories that blur the line between myth and reality. These tales, scattered across time and geography, suggest that humanity's fascination with extraterrestrial life is not a modern phenomenon, but a thread that has been woven into the fabric of our history for thousands of years. Let us continue our journey, exploring more civilizations and their celestial beliefs, and uncovering the echoes of the stars that still resonate today. The Dogon tribe, the Nommo and the Sirius mystery. Our exploration takes us to the heart of Africa, to the Dogon tribe of Mali. The Dogon are known for their intricate cosmology, which centers around the star system Sirius. According to their oral traditions, the Dogon believed they were visited by amphibious beings called the Nommo, who came from Sirius and brought with them advanced knowledge. What makes the Dogon story particularly intriguing is their detailed astronomical knowledge. Long before modern telescopes, the Dogon knew that Sirius was part of a binary star system, consisting of Sirius A and Sirius B. They also described Sirius B as a dense, invisible star, a fact that was only confirmed by Western astronomers in the 19th century. How did the Dogon acquire this knowledge? Some researchers, such as Robert Temple in his book The Sirius Mystery, suggest that the Dogon's understanding of Sirius could have been passed down from an ancient civilization or even extraterrestrial visitors. While skeptics argue that the Dogon may have learned about Sirius from Western missionaries, the tribe's detailed and consistent oral traditions continue to spark debate. The Nazca Lines, messages to the gods. From Africa, we travel to the arid plains of Peru, where the Nazca civilization created one of the most enigmatic archaeological wonders, the Nazca Lines. These massive geoglyphs etched into the desert floor depict animals, plants, and geometric shapes. Some of the lines stretch for miles and can only be fully appreciated from the air. The purpose of the Nazca Lines remains a mystery. Some researchers believe they were created as astronomical calendars or religious symbols. Others, like Swiss author Erich von Däniken, propose that the lines were meant to be seen by beings from the sky, perhaps extraterrestrial visitors. The sheer scale and precision of the geoglyphs suggest that the Nazca had a deep understanding of geometry and astronomy, but their true purpose continues to elude us. The Aboriginal Dreamtime, Sky Heroes and Star Beings. Our journey now takes us to Australia, where the Aboriginal people have one of the oldest continuous cultures on Earth. Their Dreamtime stories, which explain the creation of the world, are filled with references to celestial beings and events. The Aboriginals believe that their ancestors came from the stars, and that the sky is a map of their spiritual journey. One of the most fascinating aspects of Aboriginal astronomy is their knowledge of the night sky. They identified constellations and used them to navigate and mark the seasons. Some of their stories describe celestial beings who descended to Earth and shaped the landscape. These tales, passed down through oral tradition, suggest a deep connection to the cosmos that has endured for tens of thousands of years. The Hopi tribe, the Blue Star Kachina. In the deserts of the American Southwest, the Hopi tribe has long held beliefs that echo the themes of celestial visitors and cosmic cycles. The Hopi speak of the Blue Star Kachina, a celestial being who will signal the end of an era and the beginning of a new world. According to their prophecies, the appearance of the blue star will be accompanied by great changes on Earth. The Hopi's connection to the stars is reflected in their rituals and art, which often depict celestial symbols. Their prophecies, which include predictions of technological advancements and environmental changes, have led some to speculate that the Hopi had contact with extraterrestrial beings who shared knowledge of the future. The modern era, bridging the past and future. As we bring our journey to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder. From the Sumerians to the Hopi, ancient civilizations across the globe shared a common belief in beings from the stars who influenced human history. While these stories are often dismissed as myths, their consistency and detail suggest that they may be more than mere imagination. In the modern era, the search for extraterrestrial life has taken on new dimensions. Scientists are using advanced technology to explore distant planets, analyze cosmic signals, and search for signs of life beyond Earth. Organizations like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, are listening for messages from other civilizations, while space agencies like NASA are planning missions to Mars and beyond. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of this search is the possibility that the answers we seek are already hidden in the stories of our ancestors. The ancient tales of gods, star beings, and celestial chariots may hold clues to humanity's place in the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are reminded that the search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a journey into the heart of what it means to be human. The celestial thread, the cosmic legacy. As we continue our exploration of humanity's ancient connection to the stars, we find ourselves standing at the intersection of myth, history, and science. The stories of celestial beings, advanced knowledge, and cosmic events are not confined to the distant past. They resonate in the present and shape our future. In this final chapter of our journey, we will explore how these ancient beliefs have influenced modern culture, science, and our ongoing quest to understand the universe. We will also examine the enduring mysteries that continue to captivate us, bridging the gap between the ancient and the modern. The Renaissance of ancient wisdom, the Renaissance, a period of cultural and intellectual rebirth in Europe, saw a resurgence of interest in ancient civilizations and their knowledge. Scholars like Leonardo da Vinci and Galileo Galilei studied the works of ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Mesopotamian thinkers, rediscovering their astronomical and philosophical insights. This revival of ancient wisdom laid the foundation for modern science and our understanding of the cosmos. One of the most intriguing figures of this era was Giordano Bruno, an Italian philosopher who proposed that the universe was infinite and filled with countless worlds. Bruno's ideas, which were considered heretical at the time, echoed the ancient belief in a cosmos teeming with life. His tragic fate, burned at the stake for his beliefs, reminds us of the enduring power of these ancient ideas and the risks of challenging established norms. The 20th century, ancient astronauts and modern mysteries. The 20th century witnessed a renewed fascination with ancient civilizations and their possible connections to extraterrestrial life. Swiss author Erich von Däniken popularized the ancient astronaut theory in his 1968 book Chariots of the Gods, suggesting that many ancient monuments and myths could be evidence of extraterrestrial contact. Von Däniken's ideas, while controversial, sparked a global conversation about humanity's past. From the pyramids of Egypt to the Nazca lines of Peru, people began to see these ancient wonders in a new light. Were they built with the help of advanced beings from another world? While mainstream scholars remain skeptical, the ancient astronaut theory continues to inspire books, documentaries, and debates. The role of modern science. Modern science has taken the ancient quest for cosmic understanding to new heights. The discovery of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, has reignited the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope have allowed us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before, revealing galaxies, nebulae, and phenomena that ancient civilizations could only imagine. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has also advanced significantly. Projects like the Breakthrough Listen initiative are scanning the skies for signals from other civilizations, while missions to Mars and Europa aim to uncover evidence of microbial life. These efforts are driven by the same curiosity that inspired our ancestors to look to the stars and wonder if we are alone. Ancient myths in popular culture. The stories of ancient civilizations and their celestial beliefs have also left a lasting impact on popular culture. From science fiction novels to blockbuster movies, the idea of extraterrestrial life and ancient astronauts has captured the imagination of millions. Films like Stargate, Prometheus, and Arrival explore themes of alien contact and humanity's place in the universe, drawing inspiration from ancient myths and modern science. Even video games like Assassin's Creed and Mass Effect incorporate elements of ancient civilizations and extraterrestrial lore, creating immersive worlds that blend history, mythology, and futuristic technology. These stories remind us that the ancient quest for cosmic understanding is not just a relic of the past. It is a living, evolving narrative that continues to shape our culture. The enduring mysteries. Despite the advances of modern science, many mysteries remain. The construction of ancient monuments like the Great Pyramid of Giza and Stonehenge continues to baffle researchers. How did ancient civilizations achieve such precision without modern tools? Were they guided by advanced knowledge, possibly from extraterrestrial sources? The Dogon's knowledge of Sirius, the Nazca lines, and the Hopi prophecies also remain enigmatic. While skeptics offer alternative explanations, the consistency and detail of these ancient accounts suggest that there may be more to the story. As we continue to explore these mysteries, we are reminded that the universe is far more complex and wondrous than we can imagine. The cosmic legacy. As we reflect on the journey from ancient myths to modern science, we are struck by the enduring power of the celestial thread that connects us to the stars. The stories of the Anunnaki, the Vimanas, the Nommo, and the blue star Kachina are not just relics of the past. They are part of a living legacy that continues to inspire and challenge us. The search for extraterrestrial life is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a quest to understand our place in the universe. It is a journey that began thousands of years ago, when our ancestors first looked up at the night sky and wondered if they were alone. Today, we carry that same curiosity and wonder as we explore the cosmos and seek answers to the timeless questions. Who are we? Where do we come from? And are we alone? The celestial thread, into the unknown. As we venture further into the mysteries of the cosmos, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of discovery. The stories of ancient civilizations, their celestial beliefs, and their enigmatic monuments have guided us this far, but the journey is far from over. In this next chapter, we will explore the cutting-edge advancements in science and technology that are bringing us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone? We will also delve into the philosophical and existential implications of discovering extraterrestrial life, and how this monumental revelation could reshape our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. The new frontier. Breakthroughs in space. Exploration, the 21st century, has ushered in a new era of space exploration, with unprecedented advancements in technology and collaboration among nations. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are revolutionizing space travel, making it more accessible and ambitious than ever before. Meanwhile, government space agencies such as NASA, ESA, European Space Agency, and CNSA, China National Space Administration, are launching missions to explore distant planets, moons, and asteroids. One of the most exciting developments is the search for habitable worlds beyond our solar system. The Kepler and TESS missions have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which lie within the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be right for liquid water and potentially life. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is poised to analyze the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for biosignatures such as oxygen, methane, and water vapor. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence. While the search for microbial life is a priority, the quest for intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations remains a tantalizing goal. SETI initiatives, such as the Breakthrough Listen project, are scanning the skies for radio signals and other technosignatures that could indicate the presence of advanced beings. The discovery of such a signal would be one of the most profound moments in human history, fundamentally altering our understanding of life in the universe. But what would such a discovery mean for humanity? How would we communicate with an alien civilization, and what would we say? These questions are not just scientific, but deeply philosophical, touching on the nature of intelligence, culture, and our shared humanity. Ancient clues in modern science. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, we are also revisiting ancient mysteries with new tools and perspectives. Archaeologists and historians are using advanced technologies like LiDAR, light detection and ranging, to uncover hidden structures and artifacts, shedding light on the achievements of ancient civilizations. For example, recent LiDAR scans in Central America have revealed vast networks of Mayan cities and roads, suggesting a level of sophistication that rivals modern urban planning. Similarly, geneticists are studying ancient DNA to trace the origins and migrations of early humans, uncovering connections between distant cultures and their shared beliefs. Could these studies reveal clues about ancient encounters with extraterrestrial beings? While the evidence remains speculative, the intersection of science and history continues to inspire new theories and discoveries. The philosophical implications of alien life. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, would have profound implications for humanity. It would challenge our understanding of biology, evolution, and the uniqueness of life on Earth. It would also raise questions about our place in the universe and our responsibilities as a species. Philosophers and ethicists have long debated the moral and existential implications of contact with extraterrestrial beings. Would we approach them as equals, or would we impose our values and beliefs? How would we handle the potential risks, such as the spread of alien pathogens or the possibility of conflict? These questions highlight the need for a global, interdisciplinary approach to space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life. The role of art and imagination. Art and imagination have always played a crucial role in humanity's exploration of the cosmos. From the cave paintings of Lascaux to the science fiction of Isaac Asimov and Arthur C. Clarke, creative expression has allowed us to envision worlds beyond our own and grapple with the unknown. In the modern era, artists, writers, and filmmakers continue to explore themes of alien life and cosmic exploration. Movies like Interstellar and Contact challenge us to think deeply about the nature of time, space, and our place in the universe. Meanwhile, initiatives like the Dear Alien Project invite people from around the world to contribute messages that could one day be sent to extraterrestrial civilizations, fostering a sense of global unity and shared curiosity. The future of the celestial thread. As we look to the future, the celestial thread that connects us to the stars grows stronger. The advancements in science and technology, the rediscovery of ancient wisdom, and the power of art and imagination are all part of a larger tapestry, a story that spans millennia and transcends borders. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a journey of discovery, reflection, and hope. It is a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a universe filled with wonder and mystery. And as we continue to explore the cosmos, we carry with us the lessons of the past, the curiosity of the present, and the dreams of the future. The celestial thread, the cosmic tapestry. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves weaving an ever-expanding tapestry of knowledge, imagination, and discovery. The celestial thread that began with ancient civilizations now stretches into the far reaches of space, connecting us to distant stars, galaxies, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. In this chapter, we will explore the latest breakthroughs in astrobiology, the ethical dilemmas of interstellar exploration, and the profound ways in which the search for extraterrestrial life is reshaping our understanding of existence itself. This is not just a story of science. It is a story of humanity's boundless curiosity and our eternal quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Astrobiology, the search for life beyond Earth. Astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, has emerged as one of the most exciting and interdisciplinary fields of science. By combining insights from biology, chemistry, geology, and astronomy, astrobiologists are working to answer one of humanity's most profound questions. Is there life beyond Earth? Recent discoveries have brought us closer to an answer. On Mars, rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have uncovered evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and even organic molecules, building blocks of life. The icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus, are believed to harbor vast subsurface oceans that could support microbial life. Even Venus, with its hostile atmosphere, has shown tantalizing hints of phosphine gas, a potential biosignature. The search for life is not limited to our solar system. The discovery of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, has opened up new possibilities. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are analyzing the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for signs of habitability. The TRAPPIST-1 system, with its 7 Earth-sized planets, is a prime target for future exploration. The ethics of interstellar exploration. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must confront the ethical implications of our actions. The search for extraterrestrial life raises complex questions about our responsibilities as explorers and stewards of the universe. For example, if we discover microbial life on Mars or Europa, how should we proceed? Should we prioritize scientific study, Or should we avoid contamination at all costs? The potential discovery of intelligent life presents even greater challenges. How would we communicate with an alien civilization? What rights would they have? And how would we ensure peaceful coexistence? These questions highlight the need for a global framework to guide interstellar exploration and interaction. The concept of planetary protection is central to these discussions. Space agencies like NASA and ESA have established protocols to prevent the contamination of other worlds with Earth-based microbes and to protect our planet from potential extraterrestrial organisms. These measures reflect a growing awareness of our ethical responsibilities as we explore the cosmos. The philosophical impact of discovering alien life. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, would have profound philosophical implications. It would challenge our understanding of life, consciousness, and our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity has viewed itself as unique, the pinnacle of creation. The existence of alien life would force us to reconsider this perspective, humbling us and expanding our sense of connection to the cosmos. Philosophers and theologians have long grappled with the implications of extraterrestrial life. Would the discovery of alien beings challenge religious beliefs, or could it be reconciled with existing faiths? How would it affect our understanding of morality, ethics, and the meaning of life? These questions remind us that the search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a deeply human one. The role of collaboration in cosmic exploration. The search for extraterrestrial life is a global effort that transcends borders, cultures, and ideologies. International collaboration is essential to the success of this endeavor. Space agencies, research institutions, and private companies around the world are working together to explore the cosmos and share their findings. Initiatives like the International Space Station, ISS, and the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon, demonstrate the power of collaboration. By pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise, humanity can achieve far more than any single nation or organization could alone. The search for extraterrestrial life also fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose. It reminds us that we are all inhabitants of a small, fragile planet floating in the vastness of space. In the face of the cosmos, our differences seem insignificant, and our common humanity shines through. The cosmic tapestry, weaving the future. As we look to the future, the celestial thread continues to guide us, weaving a tapestry of discovery, imagination, and hope. The advancements in astrobiology, the ethical dilemmas of interstellar exploration, and the philosophical impact of discovering alien life are all part of this larger story. A story that transcends time and space. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding answers. It is about asking questions. It is about embracing the unknown and celebrating the infinite possibilities of the universe. And it is about honoring the celestial thread that connects us to the stars, to each other, and to the timeless quest for understanding. The celestial thread, the dawn of a new cosmic era. As humanity stands on the precipice of a new cosmic era, the celestial thread that has guided us through millennia of exploration and discovery continues to illuminate our path. From the ancient myths of star beings to the cutting-edge science of astrobiology, our journey has been one of wonder, curiosity, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. In this chapter, we will explore the transformative potential of discovering extraterrestrial life, the technological innovations driving our exploration, and the profound ways in which this quest is reshaping our collective identity as a species. This is not just a story of science. It is a story of humanity's evolution into a cosmic civilization. The transformative potential of discovery. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, would be one of the most transformative events in human history. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of biology, evolution, and the nature of life itself. For the first time, we would have concrete evidence that life is not unique to Earth, opening up infinite possibilities for the diversity and resilience of life in the universe. Such a discovery would also have profound cultural and philosophical implications. It would challenge our anthropocentric view of the universe, humbling us and expanding our sense of connection to the cosmos. It would inspire new forms of art, literature, and music as humanity grapples with the awe and wonder of sharing the universe with other beings. Moreover, the discovery of extraterrestrial life could unite humanity in a shared sense of purpose. In the face of such a monumental revelation, our differences would pale in comparison to our common identity as Earthlings. This newfound unity could pave the way for global cooperation on pressing challenges, from climate change to space exploration. Technological innovations driving exploration. The search for extraterrestrial life is driving unprecedented advancements in technology. From powerful telescopes to autonomous rovers, these innovations are not only expanding our understanding of the cosmos, but also transforming life on Earth. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, in space exploration. AI-powered systems are being used to analyze vast amounts of data from telescopes, identify potential biosignatures, and even control spacecraft. For example, NASA's Perseverance rover uses AI to navigate the rugged terrain of Mars and select samples for analysis. Another groundbreaking innovation is the development of advanced propulsion systems, such as ion drives and solar sails, which could enable faster and more efficient travel to distant stars. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny, light-powered probes to Alpha Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbour, within a generation. These technological advancements are not just limited to space exploration. They are also driving progress in fields like medicine, energy, and environmental sustainability, demonstrating the far-reaching impact of our quest to understand the cosmos. The dawn of a cosmic civilization. As we venture further into the cosmos, we are taking the first steps toward becoming a cosmic civilization. The colonization of the Moon and Mars, the exploration of distant exoplanets, and the search for extraterrestrial life are all part of this larger vision. But becoming a cosmic civilization is not just about technological achievement. It is about evolving our values, ethics, and sense of identity. One of the key challenges of this transition is ensuring that space exploration is conducted responsibly and equitably. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 established the principle that space is the common heritage of humanity. But as commercial interests and national ambitions grow, there is a need for updated frameworks to guide our actions. Initiatives like the Artemis Accords aim to promote peaceful and sustainable exploration, but much work remains to be done. Becoming a cosmic civilization also requires us to rethink our relationship with Earth. As we explore other worlds, we are reminded of the fragility and uniqueness of our home planet. This perspective could inspire greater efforts to protect and preserve Earth's ecosystems, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. The role of storytelling in shaping our cosmic identity. Storytelling has always been a powerful tool for shaping our understanding of the world and our place in it. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, stories have inspired us to dream of distant worlds and imagine the possibilities of life beyond Earth. In the modern era, storytelling continues to play a crucial role in shaping our cosmic identity. Films like Interstellar and Arrival challenge us to think deeply about the nature of time, space, and our place in the universe. Documentaries like Cosmos and The Farthest bring the wonders of space exploration to life, inspiring a new generation of scientists and explorers. But storytelling is not just about entertainment. It is about creating a shared narrative that unites us as a species. As we venture into the cosmos, we need stories that reflect our values, aspirations, and collective identity as Earthlings. These stories will help us navigate the challenges and opportunities of becoming a cosmic civilization. The infinite horizon. What lies ahead? As we look to the future, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, the colonization of other worlds, and the development of advanced technologies are all part of this larger journey. But the true significance of this quest lies not in the answers we find, but in the questions we ask and the connections we forge along the way. The celestial thread that began with ancient civilizations now stretches into the far reaches of space, connecting us to distant stars, galaxies, and the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. It is a thread of curiosity, courage, and hope, a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Conclusion: the eternal quest. The history of alien life is a story that has no end. It is a story of ancient civilizations gazing at the stars, of modern scientists probing the depths of space, and of future generations venturing into the unknown. It is a story of curiosity, courage, and the unshakable belief that the universe holds secrets waiting to be discovered. As we stand on the brink of a new cosmic era, we are reminded that the journey is not just about finding answers, it is about asking questions. It is about embracing the unknown and celebrating the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. And it is about honoring the celestial thread that connects us to the stars, to each other, and to the timeless quest for understanding. The stars have always been a source of inspiration, and they will continue to guide us as we venture into the unknown. The journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come.